Pig was initially developed at Yahoo to allow people using Hadoop to focus more on analyzing large datasets and spend less time writing mapper and reduce programs. This allows users to focus more on what they want to do and less on how it's done. Just like real pigs, who eat almost anything, the Pig programming language is designed to handle any kind of data, hence the name. Pig is made up of two components. The first is the language itself, which is called Pig Latin, and the second is a runtime environment where Pig Latin programs are executed. This is similar to the relationship between a Java virtual machine and a Java application. Pig programs end up as MapReduce jobs that run on the cluster. Let's take a look at the programming language so that you can see that it's significantly easier than having to write mapper and reduce programs. The first step in a Pig program is to load the data you want to manipulate from HDFS. Then, you want to run the program through a set of transformations, which under the covers are translated into a set of map and reduce tasks. Finally, you dump the results to the screen or store the results in a file somewhere. Just like a typical MapReduce job, the data is stored in HDFS. In order for Pig programs to access the data, you first tell Pig what file or files to use, and that's done through the load data file command. Data file can specify either an HDFS file or directory. If a directory is specified, all the files in that directory will be loaded into the program. If the data is stored in a file format that is not natively accessible to Pig, you can optionally add the using function to the load statement to specify a user-defined function that can read in and interpret the data. The transformation logic is where all the data manipulation happens. Here, you can filter out rows that are not of interest, join two sets of data files, group data to build aggregations, order results, and much, much more. You would typically use the dump command to send the output to the screen when you are debugging your programs. When you go into production, you simply change the dump call to a store call so that any results from your running programs are stored in a file for further processing or analysis.